everyone, welcome to TM Family Cooking. Today I will show you how to cook pork and beef bulgogi. In Korean, bul is fire and gogi is meat. Bulgogi in Korea goes back a long time ago. The first recorded recipes were from about 500 BC during the Goguryeo dynasty. Only the king and queen or very rich could eat bulgogi. Back then, it was so good, the dish still exists today. Luckily, we all can eat this yummy bulgogi now. Here are all ingredients: carrot, green onion, sesame leaves. I prefer use this one, but it's flavor strong, so you can skip it. This is optional. And jalapeno, mushroom, onion, apple. You can use instead pear, and then ginger. I have here, I got the already cut one, and this is pork, this is beef. I will going to make two beef and pork. And soy sauce, this is plum syrup. You can, if you don't have plum syrup, you can use sugar, it's completely fine. And minced garlic, sesame oil, cooking alcohol, black pepper. That's it. I'm going to puree of apple and onion. This is going to be used for first marinade of two. And you can use apple or pear or kiwi, one of them you have in your refrigerator, just use it. Let's cut a third of onion and cut small piece. And let's blend it with the apple and add a little bit of water. Let's blend it. Now let's cut the meat into about 2 by 2 fine slices. I already bought this meat from the market, finely sliced, but you can also use a whole uncut meat. All you do is wrap the meat in a little paper and put in the freezer for about 1 and 30 minutes. Then it'll be easy fine slice. So let's finish our first marinade. Mix in cooking alcohol. And the fry we just made. Then mix like this. Wrap the balls and marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay. While the first marinade is going, let's prepare for the second marinade. Start with mincing the ginger. The ginger helps to take away that harsh old flavor of meat, but don't put too much. Add soy sauce for a nice salty flavor, so 5 tablespoons. Add plum sauce and regular sugar for a sweet flavor. Also make the meat very soft. Today I will use both plum syrup and sugar. Last, add minced garlic. My favorite spice must be garlic, so I like to put lots of. And that's it for the second marinade. Let's prepare the vegetable that we'll fry with our meat. Slice onion into thin bit-sized pieces and to the same for carrot. The mushroom should be a little bit thicker like this. Jalapeno peppers are cut into strips. I like to remove the seeds inside because I don't like hard seeds in my dish. So let's remove seeds. Okay. Finally chop the green onions. Done. And last chop a few sesame leaves. This leaf has a strong flavor, but you find it in many Korean dishes. But you can skip this if you don't like it. Now let's do the second marinade. Put the sauce into the meat and mix. Half into pork, half into beef. Mix, mix, mix. I like a little black pepper for its good taste. And then mix. Now add in the mushroom, half each of them, and jalapeno pepper, onions, and carrots, and mix well. The sauce will marinate this vegetable too. Let's cover the bowls again and let's set for another 30 minutes. Then let's fry. Heat up some oil in a large frying pan. This is the sesame oil. Add the meat mix and stir fry for about 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is brown. And stir fry over high heat. That's important things. As a last step, add in the green onions and sesame leaves. And you're done. We are done. Here are the two dishes. Look at this beautiful color, very colorful. So one is pork and the other one is beef. Let me try. Wow. Very soft. Delicious. Let me try beef. Wow. I can't say anything. Both dishes are similar flavor, but I prepare the beef because I think it is a little bit softer. In addition to the 5 cloves of garlic in the cooking, but I like to have raw garlic on the side. You can see here, right? That is a lot of garlic, so be careful kissing your loved one because they might run away. I also very love spicy food. So you can see here raw jalapeno pepper and hot pepper paste, which we called gochujang. I have here sesame ribs. It is raw sesame ribs and romaine lettuce. I will show you how to eat with this bulgogi. I like to have with vegetable and put one jalapeno and little piece of garlic and gochujang, and then bulgogi, 돼지 bulgogi. It's pork. Wrap these things. So let's try some with soju, which is a famous Korean distilled alcohol drink. That's it for today. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget thumbs up, subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time. 안녕.